Digital asset inflows will slow without on-ramps between fiat and crypto. Morgan Stanley. Following the closure of crypto-friendly bank Silvergate, the focus will be on actions by Signature Bank and crypto exchange Binance, the report said. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Regulators may be about to ramp up their actions against banks offering services to crypto companies, Morgan Stanley, MS, said in a research report Wednesday. The decision by crypto-friendly bank Silvergate, SI, to wind down, citing industry and regulatory developments, shuttered an on-ramp for converting fiat currency into crypto in the US, and regulatory action might lead to other avenues being closed too, it said. Morgan Stanley noted coordinated action by regulators to highlight the risks in American banks offering crypto services. The Federal Reserve, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, recently issued a statement warning banks to consider liquidity risks related to cryptocurrencies. Flows into the crypto sector will slow without the ability to provide on-ramps between the fiat and crypto, analysts Sheena Shah and Kinji C. Steinmetz wrote. Silvergate has been at the center of the growth of the crypto industry, as a U.S.-registered bank providing crypto services to crypto exchanges, the analyst said, noting that its shares fell 58% on March 2 after the company said it was evaluating its. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.